And we often bring you latest developments from the world of robotics. Up next, watch the field of robots as it advances and how new advancements in automation are transforming different sectors worldwide. Take a look.
This is the latest addition to the list of kitchen robots that are gaining traction worldwide. The 1.5 meter tall robot is called Hundii and can help package noodles. Displayed at a recent Tokyo Teknolojii exhibition, this humanoid robot comes as a solution for food manufacturers struggling with labor shortage. Developed by Japanese robot developer RT, this bot has an image recognition system to capture the food that is in front of it. The robot, with its fork-like hands, then picks up the mock noodles and places it on the blue conveyor belt that also works as a scale. The belt weighs the noodles to be packaged into the black containers. The robot can pick up to 500 grams of noodles or other food, including chopped vegetables and fried chicken. The firm is planning to price it at around $250,000. However, they don't have any concrete plans for its commercial use yet. Automation is proving to be a powerful tool in warehouses, and now this new warehouse robot is taking the game a notch higher. It can climb shelves. Designed by French company Exotec, the robot aims to make warehouses more efficient and less cumbersome. In other words, this autonomous robot helps the warehouse staff pick items from shelves up to 12 meters high, and it does the job quite effectively. When it climbs the rack, it goes at a speed of 1.5 meters per second. While there are many robots that are working in warehouses across the world, what makes this bot different is that it moves vertically. Roboticists often look to animals for inspiration, simply because they have evolved to be the best at mobility. So, mimicking animals and birds helps innovators resolve difficult engineering problems. You may have seen robots that look like cats and dogs. And now there's a new quadruped robot that looks like a goat. Meet the Kawasaki Bex. It seems to have been modeled after the ibex. It's a species of wild goat that's native to parts of Eurasia and Africa. This four-legged robot can carry approximately 100 kilograms of cargo. The company also envisions it to be carrying out remote industrial site inspections in the future. Fascinating, isn't it?
WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.